Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fun-filled Christmas. I'm actually filming this video on the 26th, so hopefully I'll be able to put it up soon. Most women don't know how to style their braided wigs, and that's what I'm here to show you guys how to do. I'm going to take it step by step, and that's why I'm also doing a talk through video. Forgive me if you already noticed that I have one lash on and the other off. That's because I don't know, for some reason this eye has been irritating me a lot lately, and I don't want anything that's going to stress me out or make me not do this video. So that's why I'm coming on here with one lash on and one lash off. I also have to get used to talk through videos because sometimes I stumble over my words and I get breathless because it's just, I can't help it. I have to learn how to talk more in front of the camera to not rush my words, basically. When you get your wig from Ammie, this is what your box is going to look like. This is what our box looks like so. This is what you're going to see. You're also going to see thank you notes in your box. Then this bag. This bag contains your wig, your unit, whatever it is that you order for. You're going to open it this way. And your wig is out. Now, this wig is a 360 wig, what the wig looks like. And then you have this beautiful name tag, like just basically specifics of the wig here. My wigs, my braided wigs, especially when I say braided wigs, I actually mean twists like this, 360 or full lace. They always come with 2 wig combs at the back and an elastic band. That is aside from the adjustable straps that the 360 comes with. And baby hair for those that love baby hairs. So, I'm going to show you guys how I put on this wig, how I cut off my lace, how I style the baby hair, and yes, how I get my wigs, especially wigs like this, to lay flat on my head without falling off. Now, as you can see, this wig is of average density. It's not heavy at all. This wig does not even weigh up to 500 grams. And you guys know that in a packet of Kankelon hair attachment, you have 230 grams. If you stay in Nigeria, you know what's it called again? The big one, I can't remember what it's called, but the big one weighs about 230 grams. And ideally, you should use like 2 packets for a full head. But most times on wig, especially when you're doing a 360, it takes up to 2.5. This our unit is not even weighing up to 500 grams. That is to show you that it's not heavy at all. You can have it up in a bun and you should not have any problems whatsoever. So let me not talk too much. Let me just get right into the tutorial. I'm going to apologize in advance if you can hear noises in the background. That is also one of the reasons why I don't do talk through videos. My house is close to a hotel, so most times they make a lot of noise. And today is Boxing Day. Today is the 26th of December, which means that people are still having fun, people are still hanging out. So if you hear any noise, please forgive me. And also, this video is going to be long. Take your time, relax, and watch this video to the end. First thing I'm going to do is snipe off this stuff. I also know most things I'm saying here are like obvious things, but some people don't know. I'm tired of assuming that things are very obvious or simple, because some people really do not know a lot about wigs. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try this wig on. Now, to try it on, this is what the wig looks like here. This is the elastic band here. So I put an elastic band by the ear, what do I call them, ear tabs, the 2 sides. So to wear this, if you notice, this is the front of my unit. I'm going to turn it facing this way, like facing me, and then this is the back where you have the wig combs and you have the adjustable straps. It's going to be facing away from me. That's how you want to place your wig. Make sure that the elastic band is straightened out this way. Of course, you also need a wig comb. I'm going to leave a list of all the things that you need on my screen before you start this, because you don't want to be running helter-skelter looking for one thing or the other like I do sometimes. So this is how you're going to have it. Again, the front facing me and the back facing away from me. You bend your head this way. You place your elastic band at the back. Grab the back like so. I don't know if you guys can see because I'm bending. I don't know what you can see. Push it to the back. At this point, I would say you can fix in your wig combs like this. No, but don't do that yet. What you want to do, you want to be sure that the front is well placed before you. What you're doing now is, first of all, you're trying to see if it fits your head before you can make adjustments. Popped on my wig. Now I'm going to move it a bit to the side so that the ears balance. You see, just the way they should. You see, just the way they should. If everything fits perfectly, you can go ahead and cut and take off the baby hairs and style as you want. If it doesn't fit properly, I'm going to show you what to do next. So I'm going to take down this hair again. I have adjustable straps at the back here. You're going to make it as tight as you want it to be. Or this wig was already customized to suit my head. Most 360s come in the largest size, 24 or 23, but this wig is a 22 because I'm a 22 as well. So if you get a big wig and you don't know what to do about it, the only downside when your 360 is too big around your head, if it's too big, you cannot do a high ponytail, because if you do a high ponytail, you're going to see like some loops at the back. I don't know how else to explain it. I'm going to try my best to make you guys understand. You pull out this one and then you adjust them accordingly. You adjust by fixing in to whatever loop you want. So if you want to go 2 loops inwards, you can go 2 loops inwards. I'm going to go ahead and style my baby hair, which is the most difficult part for most people. Some people might want to do this without their wig cap. I always advise that you get a wig cap, a stocking cap, sorry. 2 advantages of stocking cap is 2 that I can think of for now. If it's your skin tone, the wig blends in better. Secondly, it provides some friction so your wig or your unit doesn't fall out. Baby hair, and this is what it looks like. All I have here is just water. No oil, nothing, just water. I'm going to just get a little and take it back so it slips. I don't want flyaways. So I already succeeded in cutting off this part, as you guys can see, and I didn't make it straight. I'm going to show you guys close up, like closely, how I cut off the other parts, because I wasn't sure you guys could see what I was doing. So you want to start from here. Don't forget, push back your baby hair and start from here. Out into 2. And if you notice, my cap is showing. I don't want that cap showing, so I'm just going to move it back. Yes, much better. See? First I'm going to take this and start cutting. Can see how comfortable I am with this wig, because if it was heavy you would notice it from the way I carry my neck, but you guys can see I'm very comfortable with it. Just for those that are going to ask me again, is it heavy? I'm not ever going to get tired answering you. It's not heavy. With my got-to-be gel, take just a little bit. My brush. I'm going to use this to tie over. Last time someone was asking in the comment section, where did I get this from? This is one of the ropes in one of my gowns, so it's nothing serious. You can always make something like this. If you have a sewing machine, you can get a cloth, a piece of cloth, fold it, you know, stitch it, and then that's it. It's not a big deal. Preferably silk. And this is what my unit looks like, all let down. Guys can see. If you can see anything that looks white, is like cap, and that's because I didn't prep it. If you have the time to do the stocking cap method, I already have a video on stocking cap method using a braided unit. You can feel free to do that, but most women don't have the time, and that's why I'm making this video. Another thing you can do is to, when you get your lace and when you get your wig and the lace doesn't match your skin tone, you can always use some foundation on your, just around here. You don't need to do too much where it's going to be seen, like the place that's going to show. So you can just put some foundation or some powder. So this is what my hair looks like down. You can see it has just enough volume. It's not scanty. Look at the back. The cap is not showing. Everything is well covered. You know, you can part this to the middle if you want to. You can part this to the side if you want to. You know, you can do just about anything you want to do to it. You can do the half up, half down thing if you want to. So it all depends on you, what you want to do with your unit. But this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like again. You can leave it down. It's just the right length. It is this long. How am I going to show you guys? It is this long. It just hit my waist, you know. And you can even have it shorter if you want. But you can also do that. So we can do just about anything that you want. Don't forget to visit my page on Instagram, Ammie's Glam Room. Don't forget to visit my not just visit, I want you to visit and follow, so you can see more hair ideas, hairstyles. You can see videos when I post them. I want you to also visit my YouTube channel at Ammie and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave comments, tell me what you think. If you have any other video ideas that you want me to do, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section below. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking around with me. 2019 is going to be lit. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay safe. Peace.